So hey guys, it is 9:51. It is your girl Ree. I just finished my makeup after doing it for about 3.5 hours. But my name's ADERIYIKE and you can call me Ree for my new subscribers. I know I've been gone for a very long time. So yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, I did my makeup today. I wanted to show you guys my updated makeup routine, because this is what I've been doing for like the past 3 months. And I've also re-upped on the same foundation, so you know this has been around for a while. But besides the MAC, and I never went back. Okay, so I've been doing this routine for a couple months now. I decided to show you guys because it doesn't look like it's changing anytime soon, and I am due for an updated makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see where I got my hair from, the specs, and all this makeup detail besides the eyeshadow, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Oh jeez. Well guys, let's just get into this. So my hair is not straight right now. I'm just gonna do this quick updated tutorial. I'm still saying quick. I'm just gonna do this updated tutorial. I've been doing this exact makeup look for about like 3 months, so nothing's gonna change probably from now on. So whenever you see my makeup in any video past this, this is the routine, unless like I say something different, which I probably but let's start. And my nails, of course, same nail tech, still living the same life, just not on the same time. So I got the Angelville primer, I don't know how long ago, but I got it and I just been using it. And before anyone asks me, my hair is 36 inches long. I got already made wig, because for some reason I just didn't want to sew my hair. So I got an already made wig from Mysteria Hair, 36 inches long. This is a 5x5 closure, 250% density, and I dyed it black with the Dark and Lovely permanent dye. I was gonna dip it, but I don't know, permanent just seems, I just hate when the water is running when you wash your hair and there's color coming out. And I just decided, let's just make this permanent. So I'm powdering my face with the Fenty, I don't even know what color this is, Fenty powder that I've been using, Hazelnut Pro Filter. Nothing new, but there is something, I don't know if I introduced this to my channel before I went on my long hiatus, but I don't know if it's this bottle or this bottle, but okay, it's definitely this bottle. Guys, I've been using MAC. I don't know, I used MAC, first time I used MAC was my prom, which is like a couple of years ago. But this is proof I've been using the same foundation literally for so long. So this is NW55 MAC. I got color matched to this a couple months ago, and this is just what I've been using. It's a pretty close match, and I can tweak it in a way that it will match even better. So I'm about to apply this, of course, nothing has changed, with my Real Technique sponge. Your girl's still blind. Just a little. And while I'm letting this sit on my face, I'm gonna apply my concealer, which is the MAC. Which is the MAC concealer. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC45. And because I put this color around my eyebrows, this has to sit longer so it can like blend a lot better than to just have like those weird ass halo brows. Everything can be highlighted. So while I'm letting that sit on my face, I'm gonna finish my forehead around my baby hairs, which is the hardest task to do in life. don't know how I'm about to do this. I never have to do my foundation with my wig on, because without this video right now, my wig would be off with the headscarf. I hate when my fucking nails turn brown. My wig would be off and I would have a headscarf on right now, and my whole foundation would be doused, and my whole face would be doused in foundation. But today I cannot do that because I tried to be cute for the video. So this is pretty much dry, so I'm gonna blend this out lightly because I don't want it to like, I want it to blend, but I don't want it to get lost. In the camera I look like a white woman, or like I bleached my skin, but it looks very dramatic on camera. This is not how it is. I have two big huge lights in my face right now. Okay, so I'm going to use my, it shouldn't be a surprise if I can find it amongst this mess. Where's that? Found her. So my makeup looks very light right now. It is not that dramatic in person. I know somebody's still gonna comment about it. It is not that dramatic. It is the camera. It is the two huge ass lights I have in front of me. So to bring back some of my color, I'm gonna use the black opal stick in Ebony. That's my car's name. I'm gonna use this. Of course, I never left this alone. I went right back to the store and bought it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my e.l.f. stippling brush. I think, I'm just not even gonna explain why I use this. I'm using my e.l.f. stippling brush. Again, it is not this dramatic in person, but they're cutting the grass outside, of course. So I'm gonna be using the Fenty powder again, and this is what I'm gonna use to bake. Yes, I still bake, no matter what the internet be saying sometimes, saying you don't need to bake. Not this skin. So while I'm baking, I'm gonna be using the Sadly Juvia's Place. I have not purchased from Juvia's Place since that little whatever she did, you know. But we have to use Juvia's Place in silent because it's still kind of embarrassing. So I'm gonna be okay, so sometimes I'll use a brush. This dying crook. Okay, so sometimes I'll use a brush to like take away the powder, but it depends on what I'm doing. And today I need my makeup to last a little bit longer than usual, so I'm gonna use the same sponge that I used to apply it to just pack in the powder. Really good though, because we don't want it to like. So that is basically my face right now. So to get all my color back to sitting right, I don't know why my lighting looks so different now. For some reason, I'm gonna be using my neck is really like much darker than my face. It's very annoying. But I'm gonna be using my Morphe setting spray, MAC Fix Plus. Ooh, my lashes. MAC Fix Plus, Maybelline Master Fix, and All Nighter. This is to like get the powdery look off. This is to mattify my face because this is radiant. This is to set it, and then this is to keep it all night. So please don't judge me, and I won't judge you. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want like a pinker highlight today since my eyeshadow's pink. So I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution highlight, Pearl Lights, and Savannah Nights. It's like brown and pink, which is the perfect highlighter shade. So I'm about to be using that. I'm about to go finish my eyeshadow, finish my lip and I'll be back. Well, I'm basically done with my look. This is basically it. So my face usually like starts settling more as time goes on when my oils start kicking in. When my oils start like kicking in. So this is basically how it looks right now. One more time. The color is off because of the lights. It's a really good color match, even with like the light concealer and the powder. But this is basically my finished look. So of course I have class that I'm about to go to and I have some errands to run. So thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me through this long spiritual journey that I've been on for a couple of months. I wasn't, but I'm back and I'm better. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down below what you guys want to see next. I really want to do more requests of videos that you guys want to see instead of videos that I want to do. But thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around, and let's get ready for the new read.